Hello. So someone asked me too about colonoscopy, if colonoscopy is safe. Again, colonoscopy is not entirely safe. Number one, they would put you in general anesthesia. Yung general anesthesia lang, meron na siyang risk. And the risk is pwede po kayong hindi magising. Okay? And also, pwede din po kayong, kung magising ka man, pwede ka maging vegetable. That's number one. Number two is during the procedure itself, pwedeng magkaroon ng perforation while performing the colonoscopy. So, you can also have bleeding, okay? That's another complication. And it's not safe. So, if you want to ask your doctor about it, ask them. I think they are the best one to really tell you exactly if colonoscopy is good for you or not.